like to my video, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to on the notification bell. Hello friends, welcome you once again to my channel DV Craft. I am Disha and today we are going to make penguin. So let's get started. So first we will take a black color paper and cut it in oval. Now let's take a white color part like this way and stick it. Now let's make eyes. Now here I have 3 yellow color ovals. Now let's stick 2 to make legs and fold 1 to make beak. So let's stick this. Now here I have 2 wings. So let's stick this also. Now take red color sketch pen and draw some blush. Now take one circle and fold it in half and stick at back side. And the paper penguin is ready. Friends, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment below. Thanks for watching.